Hey guys, para sa mga beginners na hindi makapag-walking at baka maulanan kayo at sipulin pa kayo, ito yung gawin nyo, okay? Beginner friendly na pwede nyo sabayan kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Okay, so first workout natin is like this, okay? 20 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stomach in, balance, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, next natin, I want you to widen your stance. Then bring your arms here. Then squat 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Partial lang. 5. Especially if you're overweight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Next natin guys, ito madali lang. Marches tayo. 1, opposite. Okay, 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Swing your arms like this. 6, 7. Stomach in. 8. Straight body. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, what I want you to do is put your hands here behind your head, then crunch. 1, 10 times to left, 10 times to right. 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to reach 7, 8, 9, 10. Then other side tayo guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then last one natin guys, I want you to do some easy jogs. 20 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so yan guys, sobrang easy lang. Rest kayo ng 1 minute, then gawa pa kayo ng 1 or 2 more sets para makakompleto kayo ng routine pagka medyo maulan dyan sa inyo. Bye guys, follow for more.